We'll be the first to admit it here when things are slightly off. We work in the business of uncertainty. We deal with it on a daily basis. So let's take a look at what happened. So here we are at 11 o'clock last night. The entire state of Rhode Island and everybody else is in rain, and a nice soaking rain as well. And again, our groundwater supplies, our creeks and streams certainly taking advantage of the precipitation, whatever form it may come in. Now, as we advance here past midnight, let's take a look at the rain snow line. Pretty much where we thought it was going to stay for most of the night. A brief jump down to 295, but it actually got a little bit further than that for a few hours. And because this precipitation was on the heavy side, you can see those radar returns, the yellows, the oranges, that translated to deep blues and some heavier snow. And that was able to actually overcome the warmer ground surface temperatures for a brief period of time and get that snow to begin sticking a little bit better, especially again on the side roads and those grassier, colder surfaces out there. Not a ton of sticking, especially on our main roadways, which was good, but still did cause some commute problems this morning. So this was our forecast, and yeah, we did have that coating to a slush. We pulled that down to the 295 corridor, but it did wind up getting a little further than that. And even this 1 to 4 inch contour started eating into parts of western Rhode Island. You can see all the snow reports that we got, even as far to the east as the Weather Service over in Norton, picking up that ½ inch of slushy accumulation. We got 1 inch in Cumberland, 1.5 inches in North Providence, North Smithfield 1.2, and then you can see again the elevation-driven element of this 500, 600 feet. That really changed things over quickly, and that's why you saw these big outliers. Harrisville, 4.5 inches here, and 5.3 inches in Foster. Notice Burrillville, little bit of a lower elevation for this report. It was only 1.3, sandwiched in between these bigger amounts there. And even getting down into Kent and Washington counties, you saw 3 inches in West Greenwich and 2.5 inches as far south as Richmond.